YouTube family. All right, this is the exit video for our room here at MGM Towers at the Borgata in Atlantic City. And this is for the Memorial Day weekend trip. And this is just kind of the final video for the room. I guess you can say a room tour. This was our view. Looks like we got a bright, sunshiny day right now, but the clouds just keep threatening. They just keep threatening our beach ball drop on the Atlantic City boardwalk. Keep on moving. Keep on moving that way. Okay. The clouds keep threatening, but we keep having periods of sunshine and then clouds and then sunshine. But this is the view from our room. This is another angle. Had a king size bed. It slept very comfortably. It was kind of on the firm side, but I still got a very comfortable night's sleep. We kind of have this little lounge chair here, love seat lounge chair. Before we leave out, we usually leave a tip. What they have here is this little envelope here. Nothing less than wow. And I concur. But I don't expect nothing less from number one, MGM Properties, but number two, the Borgata. The Borgata has always consistently impressed. I mean, I'm talking from the first time I visited the Borgata, maybe way back in 2013 till today. It never fails to impress. Okay? This was the closet. I don't think I did some video of the closet with the safe and some little shelves right there, and an ironing board and an iron. You know, kind of standard stuff in a hotel room. A nice full-length mirror right here in the walkway, and the bathroom. And I've done a few videos of the bathroom on this trip. Once again, nothing less than wow. I put this up here when I was doing my bathroom hygiene video this morning. Put it back where it belongs. But yeah, the bathroom, excellent decor, clean, water pressure, tremendous, hot water, spacious shower. I mean, the shower is almost a spa in itself. Water closet, the toilet area. I love that piece of artwork on the wall. Cottonelle tissue. High quality cottonelle tissue. roll and an extra roll. Solid. Solid. You're hearing it from me. You're hearing it from me. Martin Crenshaw, the 50+ Gen X travel vlogger. You're going to get your money's worth. You're going to get your money's worth if you're staying at the Borgata or MGM Towers here in Atlantic City. All right, let me just do my final checks just to make sure we got everything. Oh, I didn't show these the drawers here. Okay, I'll just slide back out. And it did come with a refrigerator. The room did come with a refrigerator, although I don't think it was plugged up. But we didn't need to use it, so it didn't matter. The bedside tables got somewhat of a shallow drawer to them. The drawer isn't too deep. It's kind of shallow. And the phone outlets, plenty of outlets for what I needed. I mean, you have outlets there. You know, you got an outlet there. Nice table. Outlets there. But this was the room, you all. Television didn't even come on. Coffee maker, coffee. Ice bucket. But that's it. Room 3090. Thank you for your hospitality. We'll see you next time. The doors are pretty heavy too, so watch yourself with the doors. They're pretty heavy. All right. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna clean this room?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We just left the latch on the door, so you good?
Oh, okay.
That's fine. Okay, thank you. All right.
Thank you. You're now?
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Have a good day, okay?
You too.
You too, thank you.
Yep. She was cute.
Going down. Going down. First floor, lobby. Going up.
And this here is the lobby. To the MGM Towers. So now give me a second. I'm gonna set my bag on my back to make it more comfortable to carry. I tell you all, this sea bag is some of the best luggage I've carried. Like, yeah, I got everything in here, and I just put it on my back and keep it pushing. All right, you all. We're heading through the shops here at MGM Towers. The shoe store.
Yes, that's nice.
All right, we're approaching the casino, so I'm gonna cut this video because they really don't like filming on the casino floor. I had someone say something to me earlier today, so I want to keep a good rapport with MGM and the Borgata. So if you all like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, constructive comments, leave them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a great day. Be blessed and be a blessing.